Right, so the accelerator theory. So let's say there's a requirement of y of 10, and for this the capital requirement is of 50, which means that for income generation of 1 the capital requirement is 5, and let's denote this 5 by alpha, which is basically 50 upon 10. So a change in investment is basically change in capital, because to get more capital you're basically investing more in your resources, and this change in capital is based on the alpha times the change in y. And let's say you had to increase income by 1, which means that you increased it by 5 times change in income of 1. You increased your investment by 5, right? So we say that this investment is induced by the change in y, right? So basically a change in y requires a change in capital, and to cater to that change in capital your investment changes. This means that the multiplier theory basically interacts with the accelerator theory. That the accelerator theory, this alternative theory, picks up right after the Keynesian multiplier. So let's say, let's use numerics to make this easier. Let's say the multiplier is of 3. Now, step 1, let's say investment increases by 100. This leads to the multiplier effect, leading to a change in y 3 times the initial change of 100 of 300. Now, to cater to this increase in 300, let's say the capital requirement is 5. So again, a change in investment of alpha times a change in income. So I'll use a different color to show this. So this over here is the multiplier effect, but this over here, investment changing due to a change in income, is the accelerator theory. So this is what the accelerator theory is, that it's in basic terminology, it's an alternative theory that picks up after the Keynesian multiplier effect. So the multiplier and the accelerator work together. Investment increases, there's an investment of 100. Due to the multiplier effect, the income rises by 300, but to cater to this rise in income of 300, more capital is required. To get more capital, investment rises again. So this investment is induced by the change in capital, and this will go on and on and on, which unless there are capacity constraints, and will increase equilibrium income by a larger magnitude than the initial increase in the first step, that's an increase in investment of 100. So this is what the accelerator theory is. So basically the multiplier and accelerator work together.